Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and this is my unboxing video for the Toucan's Model 2.1 wired headphones. So in this video, we're going to cover the unboxing so you know exactly what you're getting when you order these headphones. You can see that the packaging for this is better than even some high-end headphones, so it's really well packaged for something within this price range. So the box itself has some information on the back, which is really helpful for understanding how to use these headphones and really understanding all the options that you have. As soon as you open the box, again, you'll notice the presentation, it's really well done. And there you have a little booklet that gives you a bit more information about the headphones itself. And there you see it, your Toucan headphones. You can see it that it has adjustable hinges on the left and right ear, and it's really good if you're editing something and you just want to hear outside sound, so you can just turn it away without having to completely take off the headphones. It's light because of the materials that they've used, but because of where they've placed the hinges, you know that these headphones are going to be durable. And here's the strange thing, I've not come across this before. These headphones have the option of having a jack and a mini jack connected to them on either ear. On the packaging, what it says is that you can extend it, so if you're listening to music, someone else can connect their headphones to their device to listen to music. I've tested it just to see, do they produce different sounds? Is it slightly different? At first I thought the bass was different, but it registers the same whichever wire you connect. And by lifting the compartment where the headphones sit in, you can see your cables. Again, you see the jack and you see the mini jack. And even the jack cable still connects to a mini jack, and that's just what you would really connect to your older phones or your computers, anything like that. So let's talk about the sound. I feel like this gives a very balanced sound. That's the best way to describe it. The bass is good, but it's not overpowering. But I wouldn't also say that these headphones are for audiophiles. This is something that if you want to be around the house listening to music, you can make use of this. It's not passive or active noise cancelling, but the headphones are loud enough so that you can hear the sound without being distracted by outside sound. So here's how I've been using it. Sometimes when I'm in the house and it's late, I don't want to disturb anyone, I mix using these headphones knowing that the sound is going to be reliable. The other thing that I've actually been using this for is gaming and game chat, and that's why I'm really glad that one of the cables actually has a microphone on it. So you don't always get that, and I find that frustrating, but you have one cable that doesn't have a microphone and another cable that has a microphone, which is really helpful. It means that I can keep the jack next to my computer and I can keep the mini jack next to my PlayStation. So that's my unboxing video for the Toucan's Model 2.1 headphones. I hope this video is giving you a bit more insight into what you'd actually be getting when you place an order for this. I'll leave a link in the description to the Amazon page so that you can buy it. Thank you very much for watching.